Hey guys, this is Dominique here at First Team Subaru in Suffolk. So today I want to show you where you're going to navigate to get access to your getting started guide, owner's manuals, and some more communications. In these newer Subarus, they're no longer shipping them with the vehicle, and they're directing customers to download the information digitally. So let me show you where you're going to go. So here we're at Subaru.com, as you can see up in the top left corner. So you're going to navigate over to click on owners, and we're going to click on vehicle resources right here. From there, you can either enter your VIN if you have it handy. If not, no need to. You just put in the make and model that you have. So I'll put in 2026 Uncharted Sport. I'm going to click view resources, and then we're going to navigate to this one right here, manuals and warranties, and then here you go. So this is a digital version of what normally gets shipped with Subarus. So if your vehicle did not come with it, this is where you're going to go. The getting started guide is probably the most useful. This is just a PDF version of that actual printed guide. Extremely useful. What I like about the digital version is you can actually click on this and jump right to where you want to go. So let's say if you wanted some information on Apple CarPlay, you can click right there, and there you go. So it is interactive. You can actually click on it, and you can jump based on a table of contents and so forth. So extremely useful. That's where you're going to go to get access to that information there. And I'll jump back to this vehicle resources tab, and all of the additional resources that you would need is right there, including the very large owner's manual. So plenty of information for you to review. I wanted to take the time to show this 2026 electric vehicle warranty and maintenance booklet. So this is extremely useful here. This one is not, you're not able to click through like the other ones, but this is going to have information related to, since you have an EV, there's a completely different category of warranty coverage and so forth. So this has information on that, and that's the reason that it's completely separate from the ICE vehicles or the internal combustion engine vehicles. But I like to point that out to everyone. And then here is your maintenance schedule. That's towards the end. This is on page 18, as you can see right here. But this maintenance schedule, as you can see, it has your different maintenance intervals, and it has every single service or maintenance item that needs to happen. So this is a good one to maybe print out, and you can check as it's done or highlight as it's done, or just refer to it, just be mindful of it. But I wanted to make sure that everyone knew about this maintenance schedule right here, and this is under the warranty and maintenance booklet.